uncharted regenerative capability, which enables him to heal rapidly.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Now create your own Terminator with the BioFlesh Regenerator.
I'm back! Yeah? Think again. Battle damage.
Add flesh compound.
Terminator created.
Terminator.
I'm back!
Tigers T800.
And giving that strength to others.
Seven days later.
You mean like this? Or like this? Or this? Or this? But what about this? Or 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 this?
Except he wasn't a sponge.
So?
So it didn't grow back!
You're watching!
Quite unfortunate.
That does it! Oh! 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 Canada! That's not good.
Wait.
That's disgusting!
In fact, it's perfect. Now we're going to cut it off. But here's the good news. It grows back. So don't be too scared. First, wound healing. Did you see that wound heal? Now we're watching what the nuke can do that we cannot do. Cells are streaming out of the surrounding tissues into the area of the wound and forming what we call a blastema, which is a group of undifferentiated cells that are in fact really just like stem cells. And they're multicolored because they come from skin, from muscle, and even from cartilage. And these have a miraculous memory of what they used to be and are able to form a perfectly functional limb.
Phil? What do you call that thing?
2 words!
Let's get ready to rumble!
Relax, it's only halftime.
That doesn't sound good. Definitely not good!
I'll be back.